Flavored syrups are the secret to the delicious flavored coffees at your favorite coffee shop. But before you blow over $8 on just one artificially flavored windmill latte, we'll show you how to make a whole batch of unbelievable caramel syrup for under $2 in less time than it takes to drive to the nearest coffee bros. So you can make your own caramel lattes right at home. This is so easy. All you need is a few everyday ingredients like water, sugar, salt, and vanilla. First, mix 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar, then add in a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil for about 30 seconds, and then set it aside. Then, add half a cup of sugar to a separate pan, turn up the heat, and add a few tablespoons of syrup from the first pan, and stir until it caramelizes. Add the rest of the syrup, and keep stirring until it starts to thicken and you see a nice golden foam. Finally, turn off the heat, add in half a teaspoon of vanilla, and give it one last stir. Now you have enough homemade caramel syrup to make at least 10 caramel lattes just like this one, right at home. Follow us at Mere Coffee to learn how to make better coffee for less money right in your home cafe.